From the very beginning of our relationship, distance is already part of our story. Late night calls, endless messages, slow internet connection, different time zones. It could have made things harder, but instead, it made our love stronger.
Mind drifts to your place. The kind of can't always stay. Try to recreate.
Hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko. Yun din tinanong sa akin kahapon kung anong nararamdaman ko. Pero, excited, syempre. Kasi, pinate namin itong moment na to.
We're just like any other couple na we have some fights, we have our ups and downs. Pero syempre, nananatili lagi yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa.
Sobrang jolly na person. Sobrang bait. Hindi madamot na tao. Hanggat meron siya, bibigay ko. Ganun ko siya nakikita ng tao. Ano pa rin yung expectation na hindi umulan. Kasi kanina sobrang trick yung araw. Tapos ngayon biglang bumusong napakalakas. So, okay lang. Hindi naman mapipigilan yung kasal ng ulan.
(2,853 days simula nung una tayong magkakilala. Hana May, this is it. Today, September 25, we are officially and finally a married couple.
Stay faithful with each other. You love and cherish each other every day.
I'm glad you found the woman you've been longing for. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the generosity. I love you. Love you.
Sorry.
Mwah.
There's no guessing.
Oo nga, pawis na ako. Pawis na ako.
Every day I've grown.
Long distance relationship. Yan ang naging foundation ng ating pagmamahalan. Kasi doon tumibay tiwala natin sa isa't isa. Kahit madalas pagkalayo tayo, never mong pinaramdam sa akin na nag-iisa ako.
Love is an ocean. With you, I'll never get enough.
I promise na no matter where I am around the world, I promise to always spend quality time with you. Mahaba man o maiksi, kahit mahina internet, kahit kulang ako sa tulog. Because you are my source of energy.
Found it in my heart. Things I never knew I needed. Love to know with you by my side. I didn't know it. Brighter than the
Kilala mo si Mark. Hindi ako tumutol kahit na ano kasi alam ko mabait si Mark unang tingin ko pa lang. Kahit nung una tutol pa si Papa mo. Pero kinausap ko siya na hayaan ka na kasi doon ka masaya.
Kahit wala na si Papa, sana masaya siya. Sa amin ni Mark. Alam ko naman na tiwala siya kay Mark. Naibigay ako ng buong-buo.
ko, Mark at May, na kayong dalawa ay pwede magkaroon ng long-lasting relationship. What God has joined together, no yung bagong separate.
Alam ko yung marriage is hindi madali. And it takes real work to build something strong. And alam ko kakayanin natin na doon.
She's, selfless. Talagang ako yung inuuna niya palagi. Magpupuyat siya, antayin lang ako. Ang haba ng time difference namin, nandito siya, nandun ako sa kapila. Gabi dito, umaga dyan. Talagang magpupuyat siya. Antayin niya ako makalabas ng shift ko. Tapos malaman niya lang na nakapag-out na ako, kung okay lang ba ako, kumain na ba ako. And how was my day? Parang ganon.
7 years later, we are now standing in front of the Lord and our loved ones, allowing each other to keep choosing each other every day without hesitation.
You are my inspiration. You are my joy. And you are my home.
I can't promise you a perfect marriage, but one thing is for sure, hindi ako aalis sa tabi mo. We had our misunderstanding, challenges and moments that tested us in ways I never imagined. But through it all, we're still standing strong and choosing each other.
I vow na mula noon hanggang ngayon, mula ngayon hanggang dulo, ikaw at ako, kay sarap umuwi sa'yo, palagi. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Everything is elegant, colorful and porcelain. I wanna feel this way again.